Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Solution. Today I will discuss another example of MS Word practical on table design, and there will be two part of this video with discussion table making of a table in MS Word file and the manipulation of data in this table and the methods of design of a table. So let us draw the table with the help of the design, immediate design. And this is a wizard with 3 by 3 matlab 3 that means the 3 by 3, that is 3 column and 3 rows table, and then goes to 4 by 3, that is 3 rows 4 column, and more increasing mode it shows 5 by 3, so 5 columns 4 rows. So here 5 columns and these are rows. Yes, these are called rows, and top of the rows is called field names, you know. And there you have might you've seen that the cursor is not going above this point of the table, top row. So how it is done? To go above this table, cursor will move above the table. Then it can be done with the split table function. So go to layout, on clicking on the top row, go to layout and then split table. So definitely it goes to the splitting the table row into the top space. That is one row is created, but where no table function is there, because there is no row is there, so it will jump over the table. So it is table. So next thing is how to design the table in another way of, you see here, suppose you want to draw table according to your choice, so you choose the draw table. Yes, draw table. So draw table means it help you to scale out with a pencil. This is one row, then try to divide this with column. So these are the columns. So see here, these are the columns exactly dividing the rows. So and press escape. Yes, it is the formation of a table. Now suppose this two separate table, I want to combine it one, then place the cursor within these options and click on yes, type the delete button, press the delete button. Yes, it will merge table. So you see it will go to like one table itself. So there is a merging of table with the help of delete button. So next thing is how to separate this table. So this is also the opposite of this split function, split table. You see I want to delete this here, to layout and click on the split table. It is dividing this table in two functions. So the merging is yet to not is adequate, but it can be shown as one table, no matter. Next thing is in this layout, the another example of table design is to insert table. Insert table. Here you have to mark the number of columns. Suppose it is 4, then number of rows is suppose it is 3. So then it will create a 4 by 3 table. Yes, it is 4 by 3 table. So this is serial name, MID, and suppose it is length. Now next thing is to see this design options is here, and the design option here, the thickness of this table border is here, and you would select this table and increase the points. See the increasing the points. No, this is before it goes to the border. We have to select the border option here. Border of this table. Yes, from these options we have to increase this width, so it will increase the boundary. Yes, it is the option. You see the table border is not from this option because the border is selected from these options. We go to the border and setting, and the thickness width of this border is applied from here. So this is okay now. Next thing is the advanced features, quick styles are there. So table can have this formatting immediately. If there is there are datas, then you can highlight this with this quick style. So now the present form is called table grid. So it is okay now. Next thing is the eraser. Yes, eraser is there. I will yes, I can erase this also. Yes, I can erase this also. The eraser is right corner of this menu, and it is erasing the border lines. So that is called eraser options. I undo this now. Next is here some style is there and setting is there also. So box can be shaded here, and this color can be shaded here with separate color. This can be shaded with separate color. And this can be shaded with yes. This is called shading, and this is option the border options here. So next thing is deleting the rows and columns. Here we have some here is given is in the layout option. So this layout option is to insert rows here, insert below rows, insert left column, insert right column. So see, insert right column is here. Yes, one column is inserted. So suppose it is unit. Suppose I don't need the amp ID column here, so I select this column, just click it and delete, select delete options, and it is the column. So entire column will be deleted. So this is called delete. And whether you want to delete rows, then select the rows. And delete table will delete entire table. So these are the options of table delete. And next thing is want to insert right column. Yes, it is possible. Insert middle of this rank and unit, then also go right. That is possible with this rows and column insertion. And next thing is split cell. Here one cell is here, but I want to split this cell into number of 2 column or number of rows to increase. So I will increase into 2 rows, and column is 1, suppose. So then it will create 2 rows on this cell. Again I want to split this cell into multiple column. Then it can be possible with this option, split cell, and columns would be 2 and row is 1. Also there is existing 1 row. Yes, it is okay, but I want to increase the columns within this cell, and it is okay. It is called split cell. You see here one cell is there initially, and I have divided it into 2 rows, and then again divided into 2 column of this separate rows. So it is called splitting cells according to our choice, according to our requirement. So according in this video, I think it is a basic of the table design. So try it your own, and it will be benefited to you. It will benefit you, I think. So thank you. Thanks for viewing.